Hello everybody, welcome to Basic Tutorials. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to animate a flame, a simple way to animate a flame in Microsoft PowerPoint. As you can see here, we don't have much animations, so it's really simple. It should not take too long, so I'm just gonna walk you through the process of how I did it, okay? So well, first I have my background which I created. I just went into the Format Background tab under Design, and I just selected gradient fill, and as you can see I have red on one end, yellow on the other end, orange, and then this is gold. Just you can play around with the gradient. It's up to how you think it looks. So those are just some of the colors I used, and the flames I took, I'll just show you where I got them. I went into the Insert tab and went into Online Pictures, and I got cartoon flame. So I have three flames here. This one and this one, as you can see, they look similar. Just this one is bigger than this one. So for the animation, this is where it gets really simple, but also a little bit complicated at times. So I'm just going to add the animation. I'm going into more emphasis effects, and I'm choosing the blink effect. All right, so that's the blink effect. Let's just see what it looks like. It's the blink effect. I'm just going to double click on the animation, and I'm going to the timing, and I'm just going to change the duration to until the end of the slide, so it loops. So it keeps looping, and then I'm going to do the same for this one. I'm just going to line it up as best as possible, and I'm going to add the same animation, the same blink animation, and I'm also going to make that duplicate loop until the end of slide. Now if you play them together, they begin to blink at the same way, and I don't want that, so I'm going to let this play with previous, and here's how I do the animation. So the duration, the delay of the second animation, I use it as half of the duration. So the duration of this first animation is 1 second. So then I'm going to have the delay of the second animation to 0.5 seconds. So that's half. So let's just preview it to see how it looks. So it looks as if it's growing. That's fairly good. So now I'm going to add this third flame here. And I'm going to also add the blink animation. With previous, and this one I'm going to let this blink faster than the other two. So the other two were, the duration was 1 second. I'm going to put this to 0.5 seconds. So this is going to be very fast, and until the end of the slide. Now, like I said, this is going to be half of the duration of the one before. So the duration of the one is 1 second. This is 0.5. The delay is going to be 0.5 seconds. I'm going to add another 0.5 seconds. So that's actually pretty simple, but it moves a little slow. So what we can do, we can just adjust the animations. We can put this to 0.5 seconds, so it will go a lot faster. We can, and a lot more smoother. So Let's just try that. It all comes down to your preference. So if these two are 0.5 seconds, I want this to be faster. So I'm going to add this to 0.25 seconds. And of course we must pay attention if this is 0.5, if the duration is 0.5 seconds, I'm going to add the delay to half of 0.5, which is 0.25. And then I'm going to do the same for this one. So put this back down. So 0.25. Right. So we have a nice little flame animation here. Now, of course, you can play around with it to your liking, but this is just a simple way to animate a little cartoon flame. So I hope that this tutorial was helpful. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this, please give it a like, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications to see more other tutorials on this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in another video.